made it. Finally where I wanted to be. Let's see. Okay, so just now that was HongCun, which is like a landmark in near the Huangshan area, and then I also went to Xidi because they're like only 20 kilometers apart. Xidi, so it's like an ancient village. I didn't go in. I think you have to park and pay. I'm not sure if it's free or what, but I only took some drone footage. You will see. I'm gonna head back home now. There was one more place I wanted to do, but I wanted to go, but I have no time. That place is too far. If I go now, I'm gonna end up riding at night. I don't want to do that.